If you have an LLC, you may be vulnerable to higher taxes than other businesses. In this video, I will go over why an LLC may result in your paying higher taxes and what you can do about it right now to minimize your tax burden. But before we jump in, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any game-changing information that you need to know. If you stay until the end, I will tell you how you can minimize your LLC taxes and keep more cash in your pocket. Let's get after it. When it comes to running a business, one of the most common choices for entrepreneurs is setting up a limited liability company or an LLC. While an LLC offers several benefits such as limited personal liability protection and flexibility in management, it also comes with a few drawbacks. Here are 5 reasons why having an LLC means more in income taxes. Self-employment tax. Unlike other types of entities such as corporations, LLC owners are subject to self-employment tax. These are taxes that are calculated on your net business profit and the owner's salary that you generate. The self-employment tax is currently at 15.3%, which is significantly can increase your tax bill. Another disadvantage of an LLC is the pass-through taxation. This means that the business net profit or loss will flow through to your personal return. While this may seem like a good idea, it could easily move you up into a higher tax bracket. For example, if your business generates a significant profit, the owner's tax bracket will go up higher and higher, something for you to be aware of. State taxes. LLC owners may be subject to state income taxes depending on where your business is located. Some states impose an annual minimum tax or a franchise fee. So you want to be aware of where your business is located so that you can minimize your tax bill. Deductions. While LLC owners can deduct business expenses from their income taxes, they may not be able to take advantage of all the deductions that business owners have. For example, corporations can deduct employee benefits such as health insurance, but when you are in an LLC, the owners cannot deduct health insurance when you are operating inside of an LLC, especially health insurance that is specifically for the owners. So make sure that you understand what benefits you want to get out of your entity and whether or not that LLC is going to cause you to pay more taxes. Administrative costs. When you have an LLC, there are administrative costs to preparing your income tax return. There are administrative costs to doing the accounting. Many of you are not having your accounting done. And that is so important to make sure you're able to generate a profit and loss form and a balance sheet for your business. You want your business to have value. So it's important to set it up from the very beginning so that you have equity in your business, so that your business absolutely has a value to it. So later on down the road, you're able to sell your business in the event that you want to. There's administrative cost to filing with the Secretary of State once a year or every other year, depending on your state. So when you are an LLC, it's important for you to understand what costs you're going to incur outside of just costs associated with income taxes. In addition to understanding why LLCs can generate more tax, it's also important for you to understand that when you are making that consideration to be an LLC, that you not only look at the tax implications, but I want you to also look at how you want to get paid. I want you to look at the benefits that an LLC can deduct as expenses. I want you to recognize whether or not you're going to look to get funding inside of your LLC and also what state you're operating in. And so I'm going to take each one of those and give you a little bit more information. When you are thinking about being an LLC and you're looking at benefits as an example, and you need to have health care is extremely, extremely important. And as a business owner, you may want to deduct your health care costs. If you are an LLC, and for that way, even an S Corp, you cannot deduct your health care benefits by being in an LLC or a S Corp as a self-employed health insurance benefit. You may want to onboard another employee and get inside of a group plan to make sure that you're getting those benefits deductible. You have to be very careful. C Corps are best for having benefits inside of an entity. Something for you to consider. The other thing that you need to consider is making sure that you know whether or not you're going to have funding coming into your LLC. If you're looking to raise capital, if you're looking to get other people to contribute money, an LLC may not be the right entity for you. You absolutely need to confer with a professional to help you understand that, because I'm seeing too many of you guys forming LLCs and getting yourselves in a slinky because now you want to have capital infused into your business and the LLC may not be the proper structure. While LLCs may have many benefits, you now are aware of some of the drawbacks. And some of those drawbacks are LLC owners are going to pay self-employment tax. LLC owners cannot take deductions for their health care benefits. LLC owners are subject to administrative costs and things that you need to understand. And here's the thing, if you are an LLC, you can convert your LLC to an S corporation by filing Form 2553. And when you do that, that is going to reduce the self-employment tax because S corporations are not subject to self-employment tax. And you guys know my motto, when you know better, you have to do better. That is why you need to right now like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Tax Pro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Tax Pro Grow could potentially be your answer because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Tax Pro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Tax Pro Grow because I want you to start making an endless amount of money and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're going to learn everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to offer the service. You're going to learn how to sell a client. You're going to learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the Tax Pro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.